Good morning, students. Welcome to All Fours e-learning botany classes. Today we are going to discuss about false fruit. Which fruits are false fruit? In previous session, in yesterday's session, right, we started this false fruit, right, and I told one statement. Sir, false fruits, example, apple, pear, cashew nut, strawberry. In all this you can see false fruit. In all this you can see which fruits are false fruit. Okay. Now listen this statement. In apple, pear, cashew nut and strawberry, false fruit is developed from thalamus. Okay. In apple, pear, cashew nut, strawberry, false fruit is developed from what, sir? Thalamus. I already told you false fruit is non-ovarian. It is not developed from ovary. In these four examples, the false fruit is developed from what, sir? Thalamus. And false fruit is fleshy in these four cases. Okay. Therefore, in apple, pear, cashew nut and strawberry, okay, false fruit is developed from thalamus and false fruit is fleshy. And write false fruit and false fruit in this four, okay, is fleshy. We can even call it as succulent. What, sir? Succulent. Okay, right? Go for the first example. What it is, sir? Apple. Go for the first one. What it is? Apple, right? Go for the first example. What it is, sir? Apple. Sir, the scientific name of apple is Pyrus malus. Okay, right? Sir, in apple, that is Pyrus malus. What is the common name of Pyrus malus, sir? Apple. Okay. Second example I am writing Pyrus communis. What is, sir? Pyrus communis. Sir, Pyrus communis means pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Okay. Sir, these two, they comes under Rosaceae family. These two plants comes under which family, sir? Rosaceae family. Okay. Now, what statements I am saying now? All these statements are concerned to Pyrus malus and Pyrus communis. Okay. Right? Sir, in apple and pear, false fruit developed from thalamus. False fruit developed from where, sir? Thalamus. False fruit is developed from thalamus. Okay, right. And this false fruit is fleshy. How the false fruit is, sir? False fruit. How the false fruit is? It's fleshy. False fruit is fleshy. Now, see this diagram. See the diagram of apple. Sir, take one apple and cut it. Right vertically. Cut it vertically. You'll get two halves, no? You see one of the half. Okay. From where you made the cut, you see from the cut side. It will be like this. Okay. Right? Sir, in this, what is this one, sir? This is a false fruit. What is this one, sir? This is nothing but a false fruit. This is false fruit. What it is, sir? False fruit. Sir, then what is this one, sir? This is a true fruit. Sir, true fruit means it should contain what, sir? Seeds. What it should contain, sir? Seeds. Okay, right? Therefore, this part, I am speaking about this part. What is this part, sir? This is true fruit. What is this one, sir? It's a true fruit. Okay, right. Now, sir, in case of apple and pear, false fruit encloses true fruit. See the diagram. What is enclosing what? False fruit is enclosing the true fruit. Therefore, false fruit encloses true fruit. False fruit encloses what, sir? True fruit. False fruit encloses true fruit. Okay. Sir, in apple, what you are going to eat? False fruit or true fruit? false fruit. Therefore, false fruit is edible. What is edible? False fruit is edible. False fruit is edible. What is edible, sir? False fruit is edible. Sir, do you eat this true fruit? No. Therefore, true fruit is not edible, inedible. Where the true fruit is present? In the center. See, in apple, we won't eat the true fruit. True fruit is in the center, core, C-O-R-E. Therefore, who is in the core? True fruit. Edible, inedible. Therefore, inedible true fruit forms the core. Okay, what, sir? Inedible. Inedible means not edible. Inedible, right? Which fruit, sir? True fruit. Inedible true fruit forms what, sir? Core. Therefore, who is forming the core, sir? True fruit. Is this true fruit edible? No. Therefore, inedible true fruit forms the core in the case of apple. Therefore, in apple and pear, false fruit encloses true fruit. Okay. False fruit is edible. Okay. Right. And inedible true fruit forms the core present in the center. Sir, in apple and pear, what is the name of this true fruit, sir? In apple and pear, this true fruit is named as pome, P-O-M-E, pome. Pome is a type of fleshy fruit. Pome is a type of which fruit, sir? Fleshy fruit. Pome is a type of fleshy fruit. Okay, right? We are discussing examples of false fruits. We completed the first two, that is apple and pear, right? Now go for the third example. What it is, sir? Cashew nut. What it is? Cashew nut. Third example I am writing, that is cashew nut, kaju, right? What is the scientific name of this cashew nut, sir? Anacardium occidentalis. Anacardium occidentalis or occidentalis. Sir, this cashew nut, that is Anacardium occidentalis, it comes under family Anacardiaceae. Which family, sir? Anacardiaceae family. It comes under Anacardiaceae family. Okay. Sir, this Anacardiaceae, it's a dicot or monocot family, sir? It's a dicot family. It's a dicot family. Okay. Right. Now see here. Sir, this is cashew nut. What is this plant, sir? This is cashew nut plant. This is cashew nut plant. Now see this diagram once. Sir, in this diagram, this is false fruit. What is this fruit, sir? This is false fruit. Whereas this is true fruit. What is this one, sir? True fruit. This is a true fruit. This is a true fruit. Then what is this violet one, sir? This is a seed. Only one seed will be. Only one seed. Okay, right? Now listen the statements. In case of Anacardium occidentalis, that is in the case of cashew nut, false fruit is developed from thalamus. What, sir? False fruit. False fruit developed. False fruit developed from where, sir? Thalamus. False fruit is developed from thalamus. False fruit developed from thalamus. Okay, this statement is purely based on NCERT textbook. Okay, right. False fruit is developed from where, sir? Thalamus. Okay, right. Sir, here false fruit is fleshy. How the false fruit is, sir? False fruit is a fleshy. False fruit is a fleshy. False fruit is fleshy. Now you tell me, see the diagram and tell. Is this false fruit enclosing the true fruit here? No. False fruit does not enclose as the true fruit here. False fruit does not enclose as the true fruit. Okay, right. Sir, here what is edible, sir? In Anacardium occidentalis, right, false fruit is edible. False fruit and cotyledons. Cotyledons of seed. Cotyledons of seed. Sir, false fruit and cotyledons of seed are edible. These two are edible. Sir, just now I told Anacardium occidentalis is a dicot. Dicot means having how many cotyledons, sir? 2 cotyledons. Dicots means having how many cotyledons? 2 cotyledons. In case of Anacardium occidentalis, that name of the true fruit is nut. N-U-T, nut. What is the name of the true fruit, sir? Nut. This nut is a type of dry fruit. Nut is a type of which fruit, sir? Dry fruit. Nut is a type of dry fruit. Once see here. Sir, I think you saw the kaju. Okay. What kaju you are seeing, that is nothing but cotyledon. That's why if you split it, you will get 2 parts. That are 2 cotyledons. Okay. Right. Sir, that nut. Okay. True fruit, no. And the 2 cotyledons, seed, no. What shape, sir? Kidney shape or bean shape? Yes or no? Therefore, in the case of Anacardium occidentalis, okay, right, this nut, that is a true fruit, is what shape, sir? It's a kidney shaped or bean shaped. Okay, this seed is also what shaped, sir? It's a kidney shaped or bean shaped. Kidney shaped or bean shaped. What we are eating, right? In case of this cashew nut plants are false fruit and cotyledons of the seed. False fruit and cotyledons of the seed, right? Go for the next example for false fruits. What it is, sir? Fragaria, strawberry. Strawberry. Sir, what is the genus word of a strawberry? What is the genus word of a strawberry, sir? Fragaria. What it is, sir? Fragaria. Okay. Sir, in case of a strawberry, in case of what, sir? Strawberry. False fruit. Which fruit, sir? False fruit developed from thalamus. False fruit developed from where, sir? Thalamus. False fruit developed from thalamus. Okay, right. And here false fruit is fleshy. Here also false fruit is fleshy. How the false fruit is, sir? Fleshy. And false fruit developed from where, sir? Thalamus. Sir, this is false fruit which has developed from thalamus. Which has developed from thalamus. This is which fruit, sir? This is a false fruit. This is false fruit. Sir, then where is the true fruit, sir? This is the true fruit. This is the true fruit. This is the true fruit. Okay. It means the true fruit is on false fruit. Now you tell me, in strawberry what we are eating? We are eating this total structure. It means we are eating false fruit. Along with this false fruit, we are eating the true fruit also. Yes or no? Therefore, what is edible? What is edible? What is edible in the case of strawberries, sir? Right? False fruit. False fruit and true fruit. False fruit and what, sir? True fruit. Both are edible. Okay. Sir, what is the name of this true fruit in the case of strawberry? Name of true fruit in the case of strawberry is achene. What is, sir? Achene. Therefore, achene is the name of the true fruit in strawberry. Okay. Sir, achene is a type of dry fruit. Achene is a type of dry fruit. Now you tell me. Sir, in apple, we are eating false fruit. In pear, we are eating false fruit. Therefore, do all fruits that we eat, are they real? No. There are some fruits what we are eating, they are false, they are not real. Therefore, all fruits what we eat are not true fruits. Is this statement okay? It's important. Therefore, note this statement. What is that statement, sir? All fruits that we eat are not real. It means they are not right true fruits. Is this statement okay? Right? Go for the next one. What's sir? True fruit or eucarpic fruits. Sir, true fruits developed from they are developed from ovary. Which ovaries are? Fertilized ovary. Developed from fertilized ovary. Now you tell me, sir, do they developed from ovary? Yes. Therefore, true fruits are ovarian fruits. Ovarian means developed from ovary. They are ovarian fruits. Sir, they are developed from fertilized ovary. Fertilization has taken place. It means ovules are converted into seeds. Therefore, true fruits with seeds. With seeds, they are with seeds. Sir, these true fruits are present in most of the flowering plants. Present in most of the flowering plants. Present in where, sir? Present in most of the flowering plants. True fruits, they are present in most of the flowering plants. They are present in most of the flowering plants. Which fruits are present in most of the flowering plants, sir? True fruits. Sir, these true fruits are of three types. Which fruits, sir? True fruits. True fruits are of how many types, sir? They are of three types. True fruits are of three types. What are they? Number one, simple fruits. What is the first one, sir? Simple fruits. First one is simple fruits. Second one is aggregate fruits. What is the second one, sir? Aggregate fruits. Aggregate fruits. And third one is multiple fruits. What is the third one, sir? Multiple fruits. Multiple fruits. Therefore, true fruits are of three types. What are they? Simple fruits, aggregate fruits, and what, sir? Multiple fruits. Go for the first one. What it is, sir? Simple fruits. Which fruits, sir? Simple fruits, right? Sir, these simple fruits are most common. These fruits are most common. Okay. Present in most of the flowering plants. Present in most of the flowering plants. Present in most of the flowering plants. Which plants are generally called as flowering plants? Angiosperms. Yes or no? Right. Therefore, present in most of the flowering plants, that is angiospermic plants. I am speaking about which fruits, sir? True fruit. True fruits. Which type of true fruits? I am speaking about simple fruits. Yes or no? Right. Sir, each simple fruit contains two parts. Therefore, each simple fruit is with how many parts, sir? Two parts. There is a pericarp and seed. What and what, sir? Pericarp and seed. Okay. Now listen this statement. Sir, this simple fruit is developed from monocarpellary or multicarpellary gynoecium, which is syncarpus, and it belongs to a single flower. Okay. Therefore, simple fruit developed from monocarpellary. Monocarpellary means with one carpel, or multicarpellary means having more than one carpel. Syncarpus gynoecium. Syncarpus means carpels are fused. Syncarpus gynoecium, carpels are fused. Therefore, simple fruit is developed from monocarpellary or multicarpellary syncarpus gynoecium of a single flower. Each and every word is important. Should be careful with these words. Okay, right? Sir, this simple fruit is with how many parts? Two parts. First one is pericarp, second one is seeds, right? Just now I told each simple fruit with how many parts? Two parts. What are they? First one is pericarp, second one is seeds. Sir, what is the meaning of pericarp, sir? Pericarp, I already told you pericarp means fruit wall. What is the meaning of pericarp, sir? Fruit wall. Based on the nature of pericarp, these simple fruits are of two types. Based on what? Based on nature. Based on nature. Based on nature of what, sir? Pericarp. What is the meaning of pericarp? Fruit wall. Based on the nature of pericarp, right? Simple fruits. Which fruits, sir? Simple fruits. Simple fruits are of how many types? Two types. Simple fruits are of two types. Okay. What are they, sir? First one is fleshy fruits. What is the first one? Fleshy fruits. Second one is dry fruits. What is the second one, sir? Dry fruits. Okay, go for the first one. What it is? Fleshy fruits. Go for the first one. Fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits. Okay, now listen. Sir, fleshy fruits are a type of simple fruits. It means this fleshy fruit should contain how many parts? Two parts. What are they? Pericarp and seeds. Name itself indicates fleshy fruits. Pericarp is fleshy at the time of ripening. At the time of fruit ripening, how the pericarp is? Fleshy. Therefore, sir, in fleshy fruits, pericarp is fleshy. Pericarp is fleshy when at the time of what, sir? Fruit ripening. At the time of fruit ripening. At the time of fruit ripening, how the pericarp is, sir? Pericarp is fleshy. So can I call this pericarp as fleshy pericarp? Yes. Which pericarp, sir? Fleshy pericarp. Fleshy pericarp. Sir, this fleshy pericarp contains 3 layers. This fleshy pericarp with how many layers? 3 layers. With how many layers? 3 layers. See here, just now I told that pericarp is fleshy and that fleshy pericarp is with 3 layers. Yes or no? Right? Sir, this outer layer of pericarp, this is a middle layer of pericarp. This is a middle layer of pericarp. This is inner layer of pericarp. This is inner layer of pericarp. This outer layer of pericarp is called epicarp. Middle layer of pericarp is called mesocarp. Whereas this inner layer of pericarp is called endocarp. What it is called as, sir? Endocarp. Name itself indicates epi, outside, meso, middle, endo, inside. Okay, therefore fleshy pericarp with how many layers, sir? 3 layers. That is outer epicarp, middle mesocarp, inner endocarp. Sir, they are with seeds, no? The seeds are liberated only after disintegration of pericarp. Once the pericarp disintegrates, the seeds are liberated. Even at maturity, the fruit won't break. The fruit is not breaking at maturity. Then how seeds are liberated? When the pericarp disintegrates, the seeds are liberated. Is it statement okay? Right. Therefore, seeds are liberated. Seeds are liberated. Seeds are liberated only after what, sir? Disintegration. Only after disintegration. Only after disintegration of pericarp. Seeds are liberated after disintegration of pericarp. Now you tell me, sir, do this fleshy fruit breaks? No. Therefore, fleshy fruits are indehiscent. What is the meaning of indehiscent, sir? Indehiscent means they won't break even at maturity, even at ripening they won't break. Then how seeds liberated? After disintegration of pericarp. Okay, we are discussing which fruits, sir? Fleshy fruits. Sir, in fleshy fruits there is a great variation seen in the nature of pericarp. Great variation is seen in the nature of pericarp. Based on the nature of pericarp, these fleshy fruits are of various types. Based on the nature of pericarp, fleshy fruits are of various types. Berry, pome, pepo, hesperidium, drupe, balasta, amphisarca. All these are different types of fleshy fruits based on the nature of pericarp, right? So just now I told two statements. What they are? See, fleshy fruits, they shows great variation in the nature of what's our pericarp. It means all fleshy fruits, in all fleshy fruits the nature of pericarp is not same. Okay, pericarp is fleshy at the time of ripening, but is that fleshy carp same in all type of fleshy fruits? No. Therefore fleshy fruit shows great variation in the nature of pericarp. Okay, right? Sir, based on the nature of pericarp, right, these fleshy fruits are of various types. Based on the nature of pericarp, fleshy fruits are of various types. What are they, sir? Number one, berry. What is the first one, sir? Berry. Second one is pome, P-O-M-E, pome. Third one is pepo. What it is, sir? Pepo. And fourth one is hesperidium. Hesperidium. Okay, and fifth one is a drupe. What is a drupe? Sixth one is a amphisarca. What it is, sir? Amphisarca. And seventh one is balasta. What is, sir? Balasta. Therefore berry, pome, pepo, hesperidium, drupe, amphisarca and balasta, all these are types of what, sir? Fleshy fruits. This classification is based on the nature of pericarp. Okay, we are going to discuss about these types of fleshy fruits in the tomorrow session, right? Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.